Take easy, money!
Fair turn, Bird. All right?
That's gonna be an easy fight.
Gentlemen, sorry for interrupting. I'm looking for my student. A young man, Li Weicong, is about this height, 16 years old.
Hey, man. The locker room is full. You shouldn't even be here. If I were you, I'd turn around and get the fuck out of here.
Look, guys, I don't want any troubles. I'm just here looking for my student and bring him home.
That's some very expensive shit. That nearly cost me and my mates $1 million tonight.
陈老师，陈老师，是我，陈老师，陈老师。
Anyone? For ambulance?
Hey, easy.
Like a game, eh? First round!
Arthur，真的是他让我下药的。
那不关谁的事啊
business. It was that little shit over there and his teacher.
你真的是老师啊？